Lutuin pala natin yung egg. Okay. Katie asked me to buy this one. She likes to use this one. Maganda to guys, as in sobra yung panty. I think this one is nice. Good morning po sa lahat. So today ay Wednesday, so tomorrow na kami aalis, going to Hong Kong. And I am going to go out dahil bibili ako ng gusto kasi nila ni Kati na magluto ng baboy daw when we are not around. Marami silang gustong lutuin na putahe na baboy, so I'm going to buy pork for Katie and Errol, and also bibili ako ng medicine kasi she is not feeling well. Suddenly nagkaroon siya ng sore throat. Sabi ko naman Makati ba? Hindi naman daw Makati, pero sore throat. Sabi ko siguro tonsillitis lang, and she's been feeling this pain from yesterday. So let's go and prepare muna our breakfast before tayo pupunta bili ng gamot at saka baboy. So, ang ating breakfast today is simple lang, itlog, sliced bread, itlog at saka avocado. So, ito yung avocado na extra kahapon dahil yung avocado, half lang naman ang kinakain ko. So, every time, tayong half dito, maluto na tayo ng itlog, tapos avocado sa iceberg, ayan, okay na yun. So, let's go cook our egg. Let's cook our sunny side up egg. So, ito yung breakfast natin. Let's make our coffee. Half, kunti lang. This is what I want to drink. Ngayon, usually talaga is black coffee. Nakalimutan pala natin yung egg. Let's just put it here. Ayan, sa loob. Okay. We have a very nutritious breakfast, everyone. Let's go grab our coffee na lang. Magbuhat na tagkape. Ay, Ginoo ko. Everyone, andito na ako sa Grab car kasi yung kotse ko andun pa din sa service center, hindi pa nakuha. So bukas pa lang daw ihatid, like mga hapon pa. So wala na kami dito kasi pupunta na kami bukas ng umaga sa Hong Kong. We will leave at about 7 AM and yung flight namin magti-take off ng 10 AM and then siguro we will arrive at 2 PM. So I hope it's gonna be a good flight. Hindi masyadong shaky. Turbulence kasi natatakot akong mag-flight talaga. Anyway, let's go to the pharmacy. Hi guys, andito tayo sa pharmacy. So I'll see kung ano mabibili natin dito for traveling. So I have bought my son's body wash. Tapos mga bagay-bagay na kailangan for traveling. And we will also get Katie asked me to buy this one. She likes to use this one. So let's get her ilan kaya. Maganda to guys, as in sobra yung panty na style, sobrang ganda. So pwede nyong i-try and let me know. Kasi talaga proven and tested at saka very comfortable. So, hindi ka na kailangan mag-panty din. Yun na, makakasave ka ng panty. A little bit pricey siguro, I don't know. But let me know down the comment below kung ano patingin nyo. Kevin. Hi guys! So I am here at the cafe waiting for Ahsoka dahil nasa Cairo siya ngayon. And ayan, katapos lang din natin mamili ng mga bagay-bagay na kailangan talaga, especially for Katie and for Tyrese. So of course, bumili tayo ng kape. It's a long black and I have a mini croissant kasi kapag bibili ka ng any croissant or any tinapay, meron kang big discount for the coffee. So why not, di ba? And then after nito, susunduin ako ni Ahsoka and then we are going to buy pork for Katie and her partner. So morning everyone! Hi everyone! So katatapos lang namin kumain ng lunch. Nakapagluto pa ako ng pinakbet. Actually, gusto ko sanang magmukbang today ng pinakbet at saka another crispy tilapia. Kaso nga lang, nagutom na ako at sabi na Ahsoka, napakasarap to ng pakbet. Kaya kumain na lang kaming dalawa kasi sinabihan niya ako na samahan ko siyang kumain. Kasi yung plano ko talaga is ako lang. Siya muna yung pakakainin ko. Pero yung ending, kami na ng dalawa. Kasi sabi niya, sabayin mo na lang akong kumain. Siguro kasi mas masarap kapag may kasabay kang kumain. Anyway, ngayon ay matutulog muna ako. Siguro I will sleep afternoon siesta for 1 hour. Because napaka-importante talaga yung actually nap or mga siesta ganon sa afternoon kasi mas lalong lalakas yung katawan mo. And sabi din nila, it's proven and tested na kapag ka nag-take nap ka daw, mas haba yung buhay mo. Well, before hindi ako nag-nap talaga. But now, parang gusto ko na siyang gawin para talagang maging healthy. And then, yan, umaba yung buhay talaga. Anyway, after pagising, gusto kong continue packing our luggages. And then after that, sarado na natin. And then, I really want to go for a run or for a walk this afternoon as well. Ayan, medyo makulimlim at sana hindi uulan ngayon at saka bukas. Anyway, tulog muna tayo guys. Remember, napaka-importante ang nap or matulog. Kahit 1 oras lang, okay na yan. Thank you so much and I will talk to you guys later again. Bye! Hi guys, dito ako sa machines kasi bibili ako ng pouch nito para easy lang siya ilagay sa bag ko kasi dadalhin ko siya doon sa Hong Kong. para makapag-download ng mga vlogs. I'm here already. So we'll see kung ano yung mapipili. Sana hindi masyadong mahal, ano. Hello, I want to buy. So I think this one should be alright. Look at that. And then dito. So which one do you think? I think this one is nice. And okay. So ito yung pinili natin kasi manipis lang. Maganda. Okay. It's just nipis at ganda ng kulay.
Okay. Have a try first.
Yeah, maybe you can.
Can you? Yes, can.
Oh, just nice. Wow, okay. Alright.
Close first.
Alright. Okay, nice. Hi guys, so we are now ready to fly tomorrow. Okay na ang lahat. So our clothes here. Our socks. Yan yung ating mga undies. And then our shoes inside. So, and also this one is Ahsoka's luggage bag. Very important, the Listerine, guys. If you have time, please buy this one. It's so good. If you have sore throat, ayan, this is sobrang nakakatulong. And then of course, not forgetting our Omega. And for the liver guard, no, milk thistle, ayan. So, and ang ating mga shampoo, vitamins, and everything. So, nandito na lahat. Already, the Panadol are here. Ayan. Shoes. So, everything's packed properly. And this is my bag for tomorrow. Ayan. We are bag. Ayan. Kasi marami itong na mapapasok sa loob dahil maganda yung size niya. So hindi mo na hindi ka mag-aalala na marami kang dadalhin kasi pasok doon, pasok sa banga, pasok sa lahat. So pasok lahat doon sa aking bag na yun. And then this is my hand carry also. Super easy. And then I was just going to buy a small handbag para paggabi, paggala doon. So this is what I'm going to use. Is Gucci. I really love this one. The size is perfect for nighttime na if you have dinner or go for like a bar hopping. Ayan. So this is perfect size. At yung goyard ko naman is perfect size for traveling talaga kasi napakadami mo talagang nalalagay dito sa loob. Ayan, so hi guys, ayan, takbo muna tayo just after packing all the things, and now we are free and I have to go for a run para naman naka-cardio at hindi tayo tumaba ng bongga, maintain lang. So I am walking towards the mountain, uphill yung tatakbuhin natin. And tomorrow na kami babiyahe papuntang Hong Kong. And ayan guys, I hope all of you are safe at nasa mabuting kalagayan at may of course kinakain, no? Kahit hindi sobrang sarap, basta may kinakain lang, okay na yan. So it's still a little bit sunny here, sunset na. And very excited, a little bit nervous but again very excited. It's because first time kong pupunta ng Hong Kong. And anyway, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat at magkita-kits po tayo bukas sa biyahe namin. Mag-ingat kayong lahat. Again, maraming salamat po sa mga nanonood. Ingat guys, bye! Takbo muna tayo.
Smells good.
Yeah, I don't know what you're gonna do, like. So today I was talking to my sister. I can tell she's very down. Then she said to me, "Hey, no, but we need to work. I cannot expect you to every weekend.
Yeah,
It's not fair,
true.
bro. It's not fair. I cannot do that.
Not-
Once in a way, I say, bro, do me a favor.
Like the way.